In the last video we learnt words with the root algos. Let's recap. Odontalgia. Odontalgia means toothache. Cephalgia. Cephalgia means headache. Cardialgia. Cardialgia means heart pain. Nostalgia. Nostalgia means homesickness or longing for the past. Next is neuralgia. Neuralgia means nerve pain. Now let's look at 5 words with the root chiro or chiro, which mean hand. Chirography means the study of penmanship or handwriting. Chiro means hand and graph means to write. Not to be confused with choreography, which is the art of creating and arranging dances. Next word is chiropractor. Chiro means hand and praktikos means use. Thus, a chiropractor is a healthcare professional who treats disorders through the manual adjustment and or manipulation of the spine. Chiromancy is the art of reading palms to tell someone's future. It is another word for palmistry. Chiro means hand and mancy is to foretell.
Chiroplasty. Chiro means hand and the suffix plasty means to repair. Chiroplasty is the plastic surgery of the hand.
Chironomy is the art of judging a person's character by examining the lines and other features of the hand. Chiro meant hand and nome means opinion or judgment. Let's recap. Chirography, chiropractor, chiromancy, chiroplasty, chironomy. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like these.